Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to insert checkbox value into database in PHP. So guys, let's get started with it. So let's move to our editor, that is VS Code. So guys, I'm using Bootstrap to design this forms. So let's get started. So let's create a simple form to insert that. So let's type form, and inside this form let's create one Bootstrap form group and label for to insert the name, and then name, which will be input type. Name is equal to, and over here name, let's use the form control, and guys, same way we are going to copy and paste again. So we will tell this I agree to it. So let's remove this and create one check box and give this name as agree. So we are going to create a checkbox for agreement, like I agree to this terms and condition. Okay, let's save, and one simple button. So let's copy this and paste again. Remove, create a button dot button where save data button primary type is equal to submit. So let's go to code.php. when we click on the button with the help of method is equal to post. So let's copy this button name. So before that we need to create save checkbox. Let's copy this and go to code.php with post method. So let's move and use if condition to check that button is clicked or not. So we are going to use isSet function where $_post of your button name. So it's save checkbox. If it is clicked, then you'll be inside this if condition. So let's come here and create one variable called name $_post of your input box, that is name. So what name you are going to get? This name value, and then agree. So let's copy this also and paste over here. So let's copy and replace with this name and agree. That's it. So now let's insert this into a database. So first, to insert that, make sure you are having a database where, so let's go to a DB. Here you can see I have created one table called demo where ID and name is there. So let's add that column name, agree. Let's click go. Select the varchar because we are going to store string values. I'm going to give 191, save. Let's browse it. So these are the fields. So let's insert this into a DB. All the values. Let's create one variable $query where you can insert all the query. So let's tell insert into table name. So my table name is nothing but demo, where your column fields and your input fields value will be here. So let's copy your columns. Copy this and paste. So let's give comma over here between these two columns, and first is name. So let's copy that name and insert in the single quotes, paste it, and then give comma and again single quotes, then paste your agree value. So this agree variable we are going pasting, and then let's execute this statement. So let's create one variable called query run is equal to execute this statement we are using MySQL I query function, MySQL I _ query function with this help of thing. So guys, let's pass over here the connection and then your $query. So this query. So let's copy this query and pass over here. Now you need to execute that. So let's check with the if condition. If the query is successfully executed, it will show this message. What happened? Okay, if the query is executed, this will show a message using session. We are going to show where we will set the status is equal to, where you're going to say inserted successfully, done, and return and redirect back to the same page, that is location where checkbox.php. I want to go back to that same page. So let's save this and then again copy this and save for else condition. If it's not inserted, then show that not inserted. Save and go back to the same page. So guys, now let's check once again in the checkbox in the value. So we didn't give any value, so let's give that value also over here. Let's give value is equal to where you will tell I agree to it. Let's save this and yes guys, so let's execute and test. So before executing, you need to show this message, right? This session of your status. So make sure you are starting the session at the top and then again you have to start at this top. So let's just start the session over here, session underscore start, and then you have to show the message. So let me just paste the code to showing the message. Done. So this is a simple way to show a message using session, guys. And now let's execute and check that this value is stored or not into our database. Let's go and here guys, let's refresh this. You can see, so let's enter that with Prakash and I agree to this and let's click on save. Clicked inserted successfully, your data message has come, and let's see in database over here. Let's browse. Cool. So your I agree to it data has come over here. So that means your checkbox value is inserted. So guys, let me try with another option, another data entry. Let's check again and click on save. So again data inserted. Let's go back, refresh. You can see that data is successfully inserted. So guys, in this video that's it, and let's see next video about next solution. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.